Hello. I'm going to talk to you for a few minutes now about literary criticism, which we can define as formal discussion of written art. We call it a formal discussion because it concentrates on the form or shape of a work, and we specify literary criticism because it discusses specifically written art as opposed to movies or dancing or architecture. As you've probably realized, this class has a lot to do with literary criticism. Indeed, you have done some literary criticism already in this class. With that in mind, let's start looking a little more closely at literary criticism, concentrating specifically on why we should do it. Well, many of us do literary criticism because it helps us enjoy literature in more ways. When we can see the patterns of meaning a work makes through its use of formal elements, such as plot or characterization, we get a chance to appreciate the work on a variety of levels. And the more we use the tools of literary criticism, the more deeply we can involve ourselves with what we read. Thus, through our use of literary criticism, we can almost continuously increase our enjoyment of it. We can also practice literary criticism to make more literature. Writers of literature often read literary criticism. In fact, many of them also write it. Edgar Allan Poe, for example, wrote literary criticism along with his poems and short stories. When writers see the ideas about literature that criticism expresses, those ideas can appear more consciously in what the writers produce. They can more easily know what they're doing, and they can also get ideas from other kinds of literature about their own kind. So, in this way, the formal discussion that we do as literary critics can generate more forms of literature. I hope this short lecture has helped you think more about what we do when we create literary criticism. We read a little differently, a little more carefully when we read with a critical perspective. This extra care pays off with more enjoyment of literature and more literature to enjoy. As you keep studying literature, you'll probably find more reasons to do literary criticism. You'll find more reasons that you want to discuss what you read, and you'll want to discuss it in this formal way so that you can do so more easily with other readers of literature. As always, thank you for your time and attention.